Alright, cool guys. Well, I'm here at Don Kites in Alice Springs and we're doing something today that I'm really excited about. We're putting some new leaves in the back of the cruiser. Now, the reason I'm excited about it is because these leaves are like nothing else on the market. And in all my time being on the road, I've either been in the back of the truck or driving a truck or on motorbikes, racing road bikes, selling full drive suspension. I know that suspension is probably the most important thing to keep you going out in the bush. It carries the load for you, does your handling, does your comfort, and it keeps you safe. So you've got to have suspension to do the job. Now some people are probably not going to be too happy about this, but most leaves on the market are basically the same. They are all just a big spring pack like this one. Stack the leaves up and that's what they are. Okay, some of them are better than others, give a better ride than others, but basically they're the same. This spring here, nothing wrong with it, it's just a bit undergunned. It's a 500 kilo load rated spring and it's got 10 leaves in it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What we're doing is what I've done to the Hilux, and I'm chucking in Terrain Tamer's Parabolic springs. They're wild, out there looking things, and to be honest, I don't know how they do it. But I can tell you that they work, and the ride comfort is great, and they carry the load really well. As I said, they're like nothing out there on the market. We take this spring here, for example. This is a constant 700 kilo loaded spring, the Parabolic, and it's only got 4 leaves. Now you can see it sort of goes thick and tapers off and, you know, it's all pretty funky. But if you're looking for something new in your leaf spring, or you want to get a better ride, then chucking these Parabolics in is, in my mind, the way to go now. It's pretty hard to take it to the big boys because everyone's been doing this sort of spring for so long, but they're very, very good. Now, a buddy of mine, it was on the last trip, he's towing a T-van, family of 4, he's running the constant 700 kilo spring and he's 70. Beautiful, sat perfect, rode really good, excellent. I'm going up a little bit, I'm up in the ante a bit on mine, and this is really for commercial use. 99% of people are not going to need this spring here. This is a military parabolic spring that they do. It's 5 leaves, basically an extra leaf on the 700. The rating on them, I'm not even going to say it, it's a lot, but look, you don't need it. Most people are not going to need it. I do commercial, you know, we're carrying a lot of loads and we're always doing it, so we're chucking this in. But that 700 kilo spring for a 70, I reckon is perfect if you're setting up for touring for most people. They do a 500 as well. So yeah, crazy, wild, awesome springs. They're just out there, but they do work. So if you're getting new leaf springs in your truck, check them out because they are bloody good.